In this video, we'll walk you through installing your Gecko waterlab kit. Before we get started, make sure you have the Gecko waterlab chamber and the InTouch 3 Plus module already installed. The waterlab probe is only compatible with the InTouch 3 Plus. Open the Gecko app and go to Settings and then Devices. Scroll down until you see the Gecko waterlab section, then tap Add a probe to begin the installation. From there, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup of your probe. At one point during the setup, you'll be asked to scan the QR code located on the white label of the probe. Make sure you scan the QR code before installing the probe in your spa, as it will no longer be accessible once the probe is installed. Before working inside the spa cabinet, turn off power to the spa at the breaker. Open the spa side panel to access the equipment bay. Locate your Gecko waterlab chamber and your InTouch 3 Plus module. Before installing the probe, close both valves on either side of the chamber. Now unscrew and remove the chamber cap. It is normal to see water inside the chamber, and a small amount of water may leak out when the cap is removed. Remove the probe from its storage bottle. Insert the probe into the chamber. It is normal for some water to overflow during installation. Finally, hand tighten the retaining nut to secure the probe. Do not use any tools. Be sure to keep the probe's storage bottle and the chamber cap if you plan to winterize your spa. You'll need them to properly remove and store the probe during winterization. Now, open both valves on either side of the chamber. Check carefully for any leaks around the probe to ensure it is properly installed and sealed. Locate the InTouch 3 Plus probe cable. It should be near the module and is the shortest cable. Then, connect the probe cable to the probe by plugging the two connectors together. Reinstall the side panel of your spa, then restore power by turning the breaker back on. Congratulations! Your Gecko waterlab is now installed. Complete the remaining setup steps in the Gecko app, and you'll be ready to start monitoring your water.